Ito yung Tom Gody Special. Vintage na Super 1 to eh. Try natin yung rehab to. Sa future videos, tignan ko kung ma-restore ko pa to. Sayang kasi yung set nito, yung mga original na wheels niyan. So baka pwede kong ma-restore pa. Then maghahanap ako ng ano nito, yung wing dito sa ilalim. Silipin muna natin sandali ang setup nitong Tom Gody Special nung araw. So, naka-setup ito for technical races. As you can see dun sa mga upgrade parts na nakalagay yung transparent na front mount plate and yung wing, and as well as yung lumang brakes. Ang Tom Gody Special, lumabas siya noong 1993 na Super 1 chassis. So, ngayon obviously ang successor is Super 2 na. Pero ang kasabay niya yung mga Liberty Emperor and yung Big Bang Ghost. So itong Tom Gody Special, considered na siya as vintage na kit. Merong nagbebenta online, bibihira na lang pero meron pa rin. Pero binibenta nila as high as 2,800 pesos since mako-consider na rin natin siya as collector's item para dun sa mga merong passion for collecting ng old kits ng Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive. So maraming kailangan gawin before i-set up ito o restore. Unang-una, kailangan hanapin yung missing part ng cowl dun sa harapan. And then bago i-disassemble completely lahat. So yung mga wheels, yung mga shaft, gears, A-parts, even yung lumang brakes kailangan tanggalin, yung mga wings. And then pagkatapos, saka siya ready for cleaning lang. So using lukewarm water and some detergent, saka lumang toothbrush, lilinisin natin yung cowl and yung pinaka Super 1 chassis. After linisin ng each part, kasama na yung A-parts niya and yung lumang gears, i-rinse out lang using lukewarm water din. Afterwards, pag natuyo na, saka natin ikakabit yung missing part nung cowl niya using Mighty Bond. So medyo challenging ito kasi ang liit lang nung nung connecting part, pero at least na gawa natin ng paraan. So ready na tayo. Update lang dun sa cowl ng Tom Gody Special natin. Kahit na successful tayo dun sa pagkabit nung isang part nung cowl, meron pa rin tayong major part na hindi na makita, missing, which is this one, yung pinaka front wing. Critical ito sa overall aesthetic nung kit. Kasi yun yung nagbibigay ng character sa harapan. But syempre, as always, blessing din naman yan kasi pwede na nating convert sa VMAX na budget build yung kit natin. Kasi pwede na nating lagyan ng cowl dito sa harapan. Ang medyo challenge lang dito sa Super 1 na chassis, wala siyang mounting holes dun sa ilalim. Dito lang sa ibabaw. So kailangan pag-isipan ng paraan kung paano siya sa setup. And then wala rin talaga siyang tail, talagang yung wing. So yung wing wala na rin, as previously mentioned dun sa naunang video. Nakahanap na rin tayo ng wing na ipapalit sa kanya. As it turns out, kahit na sabihin natin budget build na VMAX tong project, apparently marami talagang parts na kakailanganin. First and foremost, yung wheels na gagamitin. Itong carbon na medium to large diameter. Para lang masundan natin yung original na wheel size nung Tom Gody Special Kit. So same size na siya. And then ito yung original na wheels niya. So it's just that carbon reinforced na siya. And low friction tires na rin. Ayan. Tapos ito yung mga plates na gagamitin. For tinatawag nila na anti-sabit front cowl. Mga gamitin sa likod. Damper sets. Propeller shaft for Super One chassis. For the front setup, yung high mount tube stabilizer set, gamitin tayo ng reinforced shaft. And then yung isa pa sa bago ko na encounter na critical na part pang assemble, yung counter sunk screw set. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito ginagamit and paano siya i-fit dun sa mga roller mounting plates. Yung gear shaft, yung bagong brake set. So ito yung blue na brake sponge set. Papalitan na rin natin ng terminal. So yung terminal niya delaminated na. So hindi na siya magko-conduct ng power sa battery. So kailangan na rin palitan. Ito yung low friction plastic double rollers. So since budget build tayo ng BMAX, ito muna yung gagamitin natin instead of the aluminum double aluminum rollers. Gamit din tayo ng cap screw set para sa mounting ng mga rollers doon sa harapan sa likod para mas matibay. Ito yung wing na original na na-source out natin para doon sa body ng Super One. Tapos gamitin natin yung mga aluminum rollers, 19mm to, na ni-restore natin galing dun sa mga lumang kits natin. So ni-rehab lang natin siya para magamit. Also, nagamit tayo ng dalawang 13mm ball bearing rollers para dun sa harap, katulong nung double plastic roller. So at least meron siyang kasamang ball bearing para less friction pagka tumatakbo na along the tracks. Lalagay ko na lang sa description yung listahan sa mga item code ng mga items, parts na gagamitin natin. So nakita nyo na i-position ko na yung FRP plate sa ibabaw. Kailangan ngayon gumawa tayo ng paraan kung paano natin malalagyan ng FRP plate sa ilalim. Kailangan kasi yan para makapaglagay tayo ng brake sa harapan. Yun, necessary na yan para sa BMAX build. So gagamitan natin ng counter sunk screw o yung tinatawag na flathead screw. Ito, nakikita nyo para to. Pero as you can see, hindi siya sagad. So meron palang nabibiling tool na manual na pwede mong palaliman pa yung hole. Pero in this case, bit lang yung binili ko since meron akong mini drill. So try natin kung mag-work siya, kung paano siya mag-work. So as you can see, yun, flat na siya, ka-level na siya nung plate. So gawin din natin dun sa kabila. So, both sides, meron na siyang countersunk hole para sa countersunk screw. So, lalagyan natin ngayon ng spacer dito. Yan. Bago natin i-mount dun sa ibabaw. Tapos, ilalock natin siya ng lock nut sa ibabaw para ma-secure lang siya.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Ito na nga yung Tom Goddy Special na restored. Actually, resto mod ang tawag sa kanya. So, restored na modification. Since hindi natin siya binalik dun sa original na box kit niya. But, there are a few elements. Like, for example, this cowl. Kinuha natin yung sticker nung pangalan ng Tom Goddy Special for both sides. And yung Fire Racer na sticker na dapat dito sa front wing nakalagay. According to specs. Tapos the others, naglagay na lang tayo ng third-party decals para mukha talaga siyang racer. For the chassis and body, malinis na siya, as you can see. So nalinis na natin ng maayos. So it looks new. Yan. Tapos ito yung wing na nakuha natin third-party. Ang original dun sa box is color green. Yan. So as mentioned ko earlier, ang challenge dito is yung wala siyang holes dun sa ilalim for mounting. Kaya ginawa na lang ng paraan using spacers, countersunk screw, tapos nilagyan din ng nilagyan din ng lock nut. So ito yung bale parang front underguard niya, at the same time yung mounting ng brakes later on. So although dun sa rules ng BMAX, pwede namang mag-drill ng holes through. Pero syempre ayaw natin gawin yan kasi gusto nating well, number one, gusto nating i-preserve yung original chassis niya, and baka kasi risky pag nag-drill ka bigla mag-crack yon. So hindi natin masabi. Ayun. So gusto nating i-maintain yung integrity ng vintage na chassis natin. Okay. Then obviously ito for aesthetics lang muna. Hindi pa siya race ready, so maraming kailangan gawin, like the usual, no? So kailangan i-align yung tires, gigrease yung mga gears, saka yung propeller shaft. At the same time mag-a-apply nga rin ng, as I've said, mag-a-apply pa ng ng brakes. So yun yung but dun in terms of yung naman yung requirements niya and yung dimensions, meron tayong dimension box dito. So as you can see, stock na siya. So normally supposedly ganyan, may space pa. So as you can see, marami pang space. So hindi naman yung setup natin, hindi naman siya mahaba, kaya marami pang play dun sa as far as yung length niya. Then yung width naman niya yon. So ideally ganyan yung hinahanap ng inspectors pagdating sa mga races. And yung pagdating naman dun sa clearance, dun sa ilalim, yan. So just enough para lagyan ng brakes, kasi ang rules ngayon, ang clearance niya should be at least 1 mm from the ground. So meron tayong gauge dito. So as you can see, may label siya from 1 to 4. Ayan. So as you can see, kung i-atras natin siya, hindi umuurong, so sabihin clear pa siya. So 4, then sa harapan, yan. So malaki pa yung clearance niya. So makakapag-install pa ng siguro mga 2 mm na brakes. So which is ito. Yun yung nasa gitna. So for this pack, 1 to 3 mm siya. So yung nasa gitna, yung 2 mm yung install na brakes. So kung if ever gagawing competitive talaga to, maraming kailangang sigurong i-consider for upgrade. For example, yung mga HG na parts for the front cowl, then thread. So since high impact yung nangyayari dyan and mounting pa ng mga rollers. Also, since itong mounting dito, pwedeng palitan ng 3-point na attachment na roller mounting para mas marami siyang options. Ayan. So yun, ito ngang Tom Gody talagang large dia ang design niya. So kaya large dia rin talaga yung nilagay natin dito. And yun, so for the rollers, nirecycle lang natin yung mga rollers natin na nandyan, except for this one na binili natin ng plastic. Pero meron naman siyang reinforcement na roller bearing dun sa ilalim niya. Yeah. So lalagay ko sa description yung list ng parts na ginamit. Pero ang total nito is lahat-lahat, since budget build nga, is less than 3,000 pesos lang. So again, average price ang nilagay natin dito based on the prevailing prices doon sa mga sellers. So yan siya. So abangan nyo yung future na track test natin dito. Kailangan munang i-break in natin yung power dash motor na binili natin last time kay Brickyard. So abangan nyo yung video na yun, paano natin siya i-break in before gamitin sa tracks. Dito natin ilalagay, so para ma-test out ito. So yun, again, thanks for watching through the end of the video, and then watch out for our track time nga and yung mga next build na gagawin pa natin. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.